Hi guys, Mantas here, and if you're watching this video, you're probably not sure if you should start affiliate bootcamp, or there is another reason you haven't seen this affiliate bootcamp training at all. So today I'm gonna uncover what's behind the scenes and is it worth to join affiliate bootcamp tribe. This is a completely free training for affiliate marketers and in general who's doing online business. The event gonna last 4 days and the content is awesome, where top entrepreneurs gonna show you how to make money online. As you can see, I'm on the main landing page, where Russell shows you that cool presentation. So you have to click that red button and enter your details. Once you enter your details, they're gonna send you an email. And in the first email, there's gonna be a link. Once you click that link, you're gonna be on this page. It's the first step where they're gonna introduce you to affiliate bootcamp. After that, each day you're gonna get an email where top entrepreneurs gonna teach you how to run online business. Right now, I'm on the day 2, and they're gonna give you 100-day plan, the steps to follow to get more leads and sales. I guess now you may be confused. So where's the pitch? So the pitch is, this is time sensitive information. And if you want to get lifetime access to this information and other cool bonuses, you can buy your ticket. If no, you can just enjoy your free training. Just take your time each day, watch all of these videos, take your notes, write down everything you learn. That's it. So easy. And I just can highly suggest to join affiliate bootcamp. It doesn't matter. You are affiliate marketer. You're selling your own products. You want to sort your customer problems. You want to build social media following. This is really good content, guys. Click the link below this video and take your online business to the next level. Cheers!